long day summer spritzer. So I'm gonna start out by muddling some cucumber at the bottom of the cocktail shaker. I peel the cucumber first just so you don't have like those bits of skin mixed up in your drink. Then I'm gonna take some fresh mint. I don't know, about that much. This is 2 cocktails I'm making.
You're a fresh mint.
Hey, hey, hey. Just bang that little bit of muddler. Then I'm going to add, because I seem to be using this in 90% of my drinks now, some Saint Germain. I don't know, about 2 ounces or so per cocktail. And then I have some white wine. We're using a Sancerre. Just any crisp, dry white wine. You don't want something too big, bold, or oaky. That's going to take away from the refreshing component of the drink. And then I'm going to add in the juice of, I'm gonna squirt into my eye the juice of about a lemon. I need, Then we add our ice. And shake. I don't know why I always do the close-up and shake.
Because you enjoy it.
It's fun. So then we're going to strain that into, I have 2, you can use a wine goblet or Collins or tall glasses. I'm using the tall glasses, and as you can see, I kind of layered in slices of lemon and slices of cucumber in the ice, just to make it look fancy.
I'll be right over. I'm pitting olives.
Rachel's pitting olives, otherwise she'd be here with us. Usually when I make a cocktail, she comes right over. I don't know where she is. And because it's a spritzer, I'm going to top it with a little bit of club soda or seltzer. And I have some extra mint, so why not?
Okay, I'm here.
Do a little garnishy.
They could hear me. I was still backseat driving from across the room.
Pitting olives and backseat driving. There, well, that smells very refreshing.
It's quite pretty.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
That's delightful.